I never heard of Star Crash before, but recently saw a review on it and wanted to give it a try, and it's not bad. It came out in 1978, the year after Star Wars, and due to the similarities, George Lucas was reportedly upset about it copying him. It stars Caroline Munro, who plays Stella Star, David Hasselhoff, who actually wields a lightsaber, and Christopher Plummer, who plays the Emperor, who is good here. It's a low-budget sci-fi space opera, but the effects aren't bad for its time, with some stop-motion effects and nice use of colors, especially out in space. And it's about Stella Star, who's a space smuggler, who's recruited by the Emperor's son, Prince Simon, to stop the evil Zarth Arn.